Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing a super easy keto home granola for you. So they are granola nuts what we are going to be doing today. They are super easy and trust me, you can combine it with a lot of recipes that we are going to be doing it. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First we're going to take a mixing bowl. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So that's cold pressed coconut oil what I'm using. That's 2 tablespoons. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. And because we're doing keto nuts, that's why I'm going to add stevia powder. If you're not doing keto nuts, you can add honey to it. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of stevia powder. Now I'm going to mix this nicely, mix this well. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt to the same. That's here. And now last but not the least, I'm going in for my nuts. So I'm giving you the gram calculation. It's for 2 people. So ideally if it is 1, you're going to go half the same. First I have almonds. So I have 40 grams of chopped almonds. Then I have 40 grams of walnut. Then I have 20 grams of peanuts. Then I have 40 grams of Macadamia Nuts. Then I have 20 grams of Flaxseeds. Lastly, I have 40 and 40 grams each of pumpkin seeds and watermelon seeds. There you go. And now we're going to mix this well. Once you toss this well, they are ready to go into the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. There you go. So I'm using a parchment paper. I have just laid my nuts onto the same and I'm going to put into the microwave for the next 2 to 3 minutes. And our yummy and crunchy granola is ready. You just have to keep it 10 minutes in open air and the crunchy granola is ready. There you go. You could add it to your Greek yogurt, you could add it with your protein powder. You can make n number of things with it. I'm going to be soon making you a granola and Greek yogurt pot recipe. So our super healthy keto crunchy granola is ready. The benefits are the same. They're loaded with proteins, they're loaded with fiber, they're loaded with antioxidants, and they're loaded with healthy fats. What else do you need? That's a super snack for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all the videos I do. Also request you to please like and subscribe and share the channel with as many people as possible. Lots and lots of love. See you next time.